Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to verify if your disk drive is GPT or MBR on Windows 11 or 10 using command prompt. For this, click on the Start button at the taskbar, type CMD, right click on this one command prompt entry and select this one Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the Yes button. In the command prompt window, you need to type disk part and then press enter on the keyboard. You can find all the details that are described in this video. In this video description also, you can copy the command in case you need it. Next one command is list disk. Just type list disk and then press enter on the keyboard. And if you see a star under GPT, that means your partition is GPT. And if you see MBR and below that a star, that means you are using MBR. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.